Mooi. Vertel het een keer, jongen. Hé?
Van 25 mei op VTV. Ron Clark had een droom.
You keep showing your job, so let's help each other out. Last year, this class went through 6 different teachers. No one wants them than I do, so let's Tamika, don't do that.
Hey, let's suppose we go, baby. Some give up on it. Maybe we can get up on that or something else.
Trust me, I learned more than you ever dreamed of. That's a promise.
Matthew Perry, dinsdag in de Triumph op VTV. Sportlife Real Food. De smaak van vriendschap en kauwgom.
Eating is never pleasant. But this young man doubled himself. He's taking a great deal on the way down. Doug that he enjoyed it, seeing that his jaw was broken, as well as 6 of his fingers and his knee. And all this before he fell. Keller beat him for it. The more he was interrogated, this damage was too methodical, too calculated to be a simple beating. Whoever did this was after information, and when he got it, he repaid his victim with these. Just a lot of suicide. Unless Mr. Nash is able to shoot himself in the back 3 times in a row. Do we have to do this, Nash? Yeah, but you on the serial number?